This is our 1925, circa 1925 Cletrac F. Have to date it when we get the serial number off of it. But this was my father's tractor, Ed Bizanson, and it's one of the next units that we're going to pull out of the cover it building here, bring home to our house garage, and hopefully get it running over the winter so we can bring this unit up to the Zagre farm where people can see it. So that's the goal. I don't know how far into it we're going to go. I think that we're going to get it running and operational, you know, steering, running, and driving, and not do a full-on restoration. At least that's the goal at this point. We'll see when we get into it what happens. But it is stuck, but I don't think it's stuck hard. I think when it was parked in here, I think it still turned over. So I think we'll be able to, it's been dry, and I think we'll be able to get it freed up fairly easy and get it operational again. So that's it.